You have a vector-valued function, and we're asked to find the second derivative solution. We'll start by finding the first derivative. To find the derivative, we just differentiate each of the components. So the derivative of e to the t is e to the t. So here it's e to the 2t times the derivative of the inside, so times 2, because the derivative of 2t is 2. Then here we'll use the power rule, so we'll just bring the 3 downstairs, so we get 3t squared. And then here the derivative of sine is cosine, so we get cosine 3t times the derivative of the inside piece, so times 3. So that's the first derivative. I'm going to go ahead and write it again before we take the second derivative. So maybe put the 2 in the front, so 2e to the 2t, comma, and then 3t squared, comma, and then 3 cosine 3t. Just cleaning it up and making it look a little prettier before we take the second derivative. So now we'll take the derivative again, rather before we find the second derivative. The derivative of e to the 2t, as before, it's e to the 2t times the derivative of 2t, so 2. Here the derivative, it's 2 times 3, so 6t, because you subtract 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. And the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So the 3 hangs out, and you get negative sine of 3t times the derivative of this inside piece, so times 3. The last step is to maybe clean it up. So r double prime of t is equal to, let's see, 2 times 2, that's 4, e to the 2t, and then we get 6t. And then here it looks like we have a negative sign, and we have a 3 and a 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So we end up with negative 9 sine 3t. Then we have the other little bracket here. And that is the second derivative. So you just take the derivative twice. That's it.